I'm Dr. Colin Lathrop from Lathrop Dental Center. We serve patients from the Katy, Fulshire, and surrounding areas, including Weston Lakes, Fullbrook, and Sealy. Giggling and strolling along, they spotted an ice rink. Poppy and Emma watch the skaters skimming and spinning. I'm married to my wife, Raven. We have 3 kids. We have 2 girls and a boy. When I'm not here at work, I enjoy spending time with them at the park, driving around, running errands, and just spending time out by our pool in our backyard. For that one? Just living life. Growing up, I spent a lot of time with my grandfather. He was a mechanic for police department in Mississippi, and he always had old Fords. And one of my interests after that point of being a kid was these old classic Broncos. I found one a few years ago, and I didn't pay much for it. It wasn't much to start with, but I had that vision of what I wanted it to be when I was finished with it, and spent a couple of years putting it back together. The final product, once I was finished with it, turned out to be, a lot of fun for my wife and I. Let's click your seatbelt. My kids they go crazy riding around in the back seat. One of the most rewarding parts about being a dentist is taking a smile that's been thrown away and been forgotten about for many years, much like my interest in classic Broncos. You find something that's been, not taken care of, fallen apart and broken down, and you can see that gem. You can see the end before you begin as far as how you would rebuild something or make something just so much better to where a patient will start smiling again, will start being happy again. Their personality will change. They'll come out of their shell, and you can see this total transformation in someone's daily life from something as simple as rebuilding their smile, giving them back the correct number of teeth or the right length or the color or the shade or how they fit together or work together. And that's a difficult thing to do, but also it's very rewarding for myself and our patients that we're able to do that with. Here at Lathrop Dental Center, we believe that everyone's an individual. What they need as far as dental health goes is specific for one person to the next. There's no cookie cutter approach. In doing that, we have to make sure that we're able to fit in with people's fears or their budgets or their schedules, any number of things, so that they can get the dentistry that they deserve on a timeline that will work with them.
We address our patients' concerns. We address their fears. We address those barriers that are preventing them from getting where they want to be by talking to them. Teeth they're things. They're in your mouth, but they're connected to a person. How can I help you express the person that you are through your smile? It's a personal approach, and we do our best to treat everybody like they're our family.
We see patients come in every day. They don't smile, they cover it up with their hands or a magazine when they're talking or who knows what, and we're able to give them back that freedom to smile, enjoy their lives, and come out of their shell, not be depressed about their appearance or hiding behind something that's not theirs. And to see that transformation in someone who we've spent 6 months or a year, 18 months slowly rebuilding back what they once had, you can see a huge difference in them. They're a different person once they're finished. They're more confident, they're more outgoing, they're more connected to their spouse or their kids or their workplace. They may have a promotion that has come up because they no longer were hiding their smile. We've had many patients who we have rebuilt everything that they once thought was completely lost, and afterwards, life changed.
It had been a long time since I saw the doctor or the dentist, and I just didn't feel that I could trust the dentist. I had gone through a terrible experience with the dentist when I was younger, but when I was here, it was gone after having a conversation with Dr. Lathrop and how we spoke to each other. And it was a relationship. It's not a patient or client or anything like that. He's a friend of mine. He was able to give me a comfort level that no other dentist has been able to do.
In my past, I've had a lot of dental work done, lost a lot of my gums, lost a lot of my teeth. It was not pretty. It hurt. And then when Dr. Lathrop opened up here, I came in to see him, and man, he's awesome. He took the missing teeth and replaced them with implants. They have absolutely saved my teeth. As soon as you sit in the chair and he walks in and he sits down, you know that he knows what he's doing. And I've been through enough that I know.
Every time I come in, we have fun. I mean, it's a fun place to be. I don't mind coming here at all, and the dentist, it comes from the top down. There's a smile on the face every time I walk in. They know your name. They're very cordial and professional. Some places you go to, one day it's up or down, but not this place.
I would not want to take pictures. I wouldn't want to be in pictures. And my kids growing up, they always wanted, I have 2 boys, they want to be in a picture with dad. And I wouldn't participate. And if I did, I was always serious, like, what's wrong with Fernando? But this allowed me to show a different side. I'm happy. I'm showing that I appreciate, life. And it was just an avenue, an expression that I hadn't had in a very, very long time. And so with the smile, I'm able to use that, that expression or that resource that I have because of Dr. Lathrop and his staff.